and you were all mixed up. The people they loved you no matter what. Little darling, still